my goodness, guys. The amount I'm getting, like, we need to breathe. We all need to take a moment and release the energy that wants to conflict, the energy that wants to produce and bless you. Okay, so I just let go and I just release, and I'm gonna pull off. We gonna do another drive video today. Okay, I'm feeling a sense of release. I'm feeling there is a lot of chaotic energy. There's a lot of shifts, a lot of changes, a lot of things that are seen and unforeseen that is being taken place, that you was prepared, but you are yet still unprepared for. But something is also telling me not to panic, not to worry, not to become weary, not to think that everything is crashing and burning. Everything is not crashing and burning. It's crashing and burning so that way it can rebuild. It is going to be some reproduction going on. The fruits, you done let the tree sit there, so now what we're doing is we're going to ground up that whole plant. We're going to replant that plant. It didn't produce no seeds. It produced fruit. But since it didn't produce enough seeds, since it wasn't enough abundance, what we're going to do is we're going to grind up all of that stuff and we're going to crash and burn it. You're no longer going to be safe in the same energy you once felt safe. That's the energy I'm getting. It's going to be an earthquake, a lot of stuff, a lot of movement, a lot of things. It can't nothing stay in this energy. If it's an energy of movement and something trying to stay still, can't nothing compete with something that's in motion, because what's in motion must stay in motion. What's in motion must stay in motion. What? I'm gonna have to park because my car gets to talking loud. So I'm putting this car out of motion. What's in motion must stay in motion. Once I press go on anything, this car stand in motion, I would have to physically press that brake. That messes up the whole alignment and drives it out of course. This car has a mission, forward or backwards. It can only go two places, so can we. Forward or backwards. When this car abruptly stops and we changes this car's course, or any course, for example, but I'm going to use this car as an example. The car thinking it's going straight, it's thinking it's going up that hill, we change course and make a right. The car don't know we just saved its engine and transmission. A little bit of energy that it doesn't have to try to reproduce, or fuel that it doesn't have to use. Okay? It's been a lot of things since to the attack. I said detach, attack, destroy. You know what I'm saying? But you cannot. You cannot fuck with this. Let me just tell whatever energy think that they could fuck with me. Whatever energy think that it's even in the same alignment to even try to align on my solar plane. Well, what Beyonce say? Take it to another level. No passengers on my plane. Yeah. You don't see no passengers up in this car. It's just me. Can't nothing. If I said it's mine, I already declare it, and it already is mine. It's already done. There's nothing. And I feel like you should let nothing come and deter you not not your inside, not your outside, not your best friend, not your best man, not your mama, not your daddy, not nobody, not even the pastor. Can't nobody destroy what was meant for you. It can seem like it. Yes, it will burn. Let it burn. Burn me at the stake. Burn it at the stake. Give me some popcorn. Because I'm going to be laughing on the inside. I got this energy today where things been happening. And it's just been like a big joke. But it ain't no joke. But it's definitely a joke. Okay? It's a joke because I said so. It's a joke because I refuse to let you get the emotion that you thought you was going to get out of me. So I had to laugh. Because you thought that I could just endure that and what? I don't know what I was going to crumble, fall, and Look, what Tupac say? Was it Tupac or whatever? He said, look, I'm falling. I can't get up. No, I'm gonna get up. Get up 10. Every time you knock me down, you hit me in the shin. I'm back up. Hit me in the head. I'm back up. Hit me in the shoulder. Ooh, I'm back up. Hit me in the neck. Dang, I'm back up. And what I'm going to tell you is to back up. At this point, back up off of me. Because you cannot. You cannot, you will not, and you have not. It's a whole lot of knots up in here, and you better go before you have one upside your head. Look. I don't know what is going on. But this is the year of the 9. So if a snake sheds its skin, and 9 is somewhat the year of completion or something like that. I think this 9 or 10 is the year of completion. The year 9 is where everything crashes and burns down anyway. So we're already approaching the ending of this. And my year of the 9 hasn't been that bad. I started off rocky, and then I kind of like drifted, overcame some waves and ripples that was meant to be a whole tsunami, but it kind of just whirlwind, and I was like, and it was like, okay, it was like a big, okay, and then it's like, okay. Look, I just want to let you know, whatever is coming to throw you off your square, person, place, or thing, something didn't work out, people disappointed you, people are attacking you, they want to destroy the things, they want to threaten you, they want to tell you what they're going to do to you. It won't happen. Do not buy into that energy. Do not panic. Do not worry. Do not give it what it wants. Do what you want. Do it with peace. Do it with ease. Do it with joy. Look at it from all perspectives and angles. Do not believe it, because beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? Whatever I see, if I see gold mines, nobody else can tell me that there is not no gold mines there. When I'm picking up gold, nobody else cannot tell me that I physically do not have gold, because I have so much faith and so much belief that anything that I do, that I see, is exactly what it is. A false reality, we all have that, or real realities. But sometimes your faith, your hope, your belief is so uncut and raw that it causes other people to see So it's okay to let the crowd come this way and you go this way. It's okay for everything to rock. Just do the Mary J. Blige. I was gonna say do the D.A. Blige. I don't know. Well, I was gonna say do the D.A. Blige, but do the Mary J. You know, while the earthquake going, just go lean with it. You know, snap your fingers. Do your step. You know, just position yourself. Position yourself for unstable ground and territory. Because there's a lot of unstableness going on, but you're still going to be standing. I'm still standing. 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 I'm still standing. Look, y'all go on and have a great day. Because let me tell y'all. I came to win. I came to fight. I came to conquer. And I definitely came to thrive. Thank you, Nicki Minaj. Have a great day, you guys.